you've ever thought of opening your own advertising agency but didn't know how to start, we've found a franchise that makes it easy. And that's what makes Signs Now our next big franchise. Signs Now is a franchise that specializes in helping businesses of all sizes reshape and rebrand their marketing image. Not just a sign franchise, this is a marketing communications company with fantastic diversity in the services they offer. Signs Now isn't just some glorified output house. What Signs Now brings to the show is a full-service creative organization that can work with a customer to help them discover the right way to communicate their brand. What makes Signs Now interesting to us is that it's part of the Allegra network. This brings with it 4 huge benefits. Number 1, this is an acquisition company. Forget starting your Signs Now business from scratch. Signs Now will help you acquire an existing business with existing clients, and then you'll rebrand that business under the Signs Now name. Number 2, Allegra Network has programs designed to make sure you're profitable. Suffice it to say, they've got every metric imaginable that helps you know where your business is and where it should be. If you're off, they can show you exactly where improvement is needed. Signs Now takes the guesswork out of making money in your business. Number 3, as an owner, you will work on your business, not in your business. Signs Now handles all your key marketing programs for you, including direct mail, telemarketing, your internet site, and more. Your job? Focus on building the business and providing great customer service. Number 4, and finally, as an owner, you get to participate in the Allegra Network Healthcare Program. That's right, a franchise that lets you tap into a large healthcare program. Acquisitions to get you jump-started, profitability programs to keep you on track, marketing details managed for you, and healthcare that gives you peace of mind are all signs of good things to come for you. That's why Signs Now is our next big franchise.